Hi friends, Xiaomi launched a new brand, Mi Band HRX Edition. It's a special for India, and I am going to unboxing of this brand. HRX means Hrithik Roshan Edition, and Xiaomi collaborated with Hrithik Roshan brand and launched this brand. This brand is as same as Mi Band 2 except heart rate sensor. Xiaomi claims that it gives 23 days battery backup and also updated pedometer logarithm. The special highlighted things of this brand is its price. It's only $1,299. I bought this brand from Amazon India and it also available Flipkart and Mi.com. Guys, myself Suvanshi Sarkar and welcome to my channel Live Info Update. Let's go for unboxing. This is the Mi Band HRX Edition box, and these pictures is Mi Band HRX. Opposite to side Mi Band HRX Edition देखा हुआ है, other side Mi branding. एक बार जल्दी से देख लूँगा बॉक्स में क्या क्या लगा हुआ है. चलिए इसका मॉडल नंबर Mi Band 2 and battery capacity 70 milliampere, input voltage DC 5.0 and battery type lithium polymer, and output current 60 mAh maximum, connecting type Bluetooth port, and इसका प्राइस लिखा हुआ है 1,799 बट आपको ये मिल जाएगा 1,299. कंटिन्यू क्या क्या है बॉक्स में. Mi Band सेंसर, एक स्ट्रैप, एक चार्जिंग केबल एंड यूजर गाइड. डिवाइस कनेक्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट एक्चुअली. compatible with all the Xiaomi phone or any device with Android 4.4 or above, and Bluetooth port also compatible with iPhone from iPhone 4S onward that run on iOS 7.0 or later version. Now we will open the box and देखूंगा क्या क्या है बॉक्स में. Okay, it's the tracker itself. It's a standard brand. That means strap. It's hold the tracker. It's a user guide. This is charging cable. Open. Now I try to open it the tracker. This is tracker. It's your time. Now I will show how to fit the tracker in the band. Just place the tracker in the band. From behind, use it in your hand like a band. To use it, at first pair the tracker to your mobile. Okay, I try to pair this tracker with my mobile. I am using Redmi 3S Prime, and you have to download the Mi Fit apps. I already downloaded it. Tap on Mi Fit and option Add device. Click on add device and click band. The following data will be connected after pairing your device. Okay, you have okay, and it will search your band. Keep your band close in your phone. It shows the symbol touch. Okay. After touching, it will be pairing. Now the band is paired with my mobile. Restore your screen unlock. Yes. पहले से मैं बैंड है मेरा मोबाइल के साथ कनेक्ट किया है, इसलिए मेरे को रिस्टोर ऑप्शन दिख रहा है. Okay. Set up Bluetooth unlock. Yep, touch to unlock settings. You can unlock your phone with Bluetooth device now. Okay, it connect now to my mobile. You will set this band, what type of notification you want. There is too much option like lock screen, incoming call, alarm, apps alert, that is many apps alert, and ideal alert. That's अगर आप बहुत टाइम से एक जगह बैठा हुआ है तो ये बैंड आपको सिग्नल देगा, आपको उठना होगा, घूमा फिर कर आना होगा. दैट इज ए ऑप्शन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑप्शन. लिफ्ट रिस्ट टू व्यू इनको आपका टाइम हुआ है, आप देखना चाहते हैं क्या टाइम है तो अगर जस्ट आप वहाँ पे घुमा दीजिए एंड यहाँ पे आप टाइम देख सकते हैं. ओके, ये तो बहुत अच्छे फीचर्स है. टाइम फॉर्मेट अगर you can set only time or date. Now I can show you the Mi Band HRX Edition notification during charging. It's like just our smartphone during charging. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like my review, please give me a like and subscribe my channel to get my next video update. That's all for review. Good day.